So now what we're doing is utilizing Trellis's attorney analysis tool from the docket, in the case Reddit versus Anthropic. We're able to provide an overview for the plaintiff's attorney, and in this case, that's John Quinn. By using his name and his state bar number, we're able to research all of the cases John Quinn has been affiliated with inside the state of California, and then provide a sample set of 5 representative cases that illustrate the types of cases John Quinn historically brings. On top of this, we will also provide a hyperlink for each of these cases to allow you to research them at a deeper level. But perhaps most importantly, we will illustrate some case information showing you who the parties were, some brief background with respect to the individual case, and then the legal claims that are underpinning each of these 5 data set in terms of what John Quinn has done in the past. When we go through these 5 cases, it's important to know these do not mean that these are the 5 most important cases or the 5 largest cases. They just do the best job illustrating the types of cases John Quinn practices. Below that sample set, we begin to illustrate what types of cases in a more detailed manner John Quinn practices. Here, for example, we'll show you that he practices complex commercial litigation. And then when we start talking about his discovery approach, or perhaps his motion practice history, we provide the links to each of these cases at each bullet point to allow the user to dig in to see exactly what he's done in the past, with obviously the guise of he's more than likely to do it in the current case as well. We will ultimately wrap this one up as we scroll down to case duration by illustrating how long or how far down the road the lawyers will litigate specific cases. So here, for example, we're going to see that John Quinn has all of these cases that are lasting multiple years. We know, for example, he is a litigation or a trial lawyer and is not afraid to take those cases all the way to their endpoint. And we're going to wrap it up with some key takeaways to consider if you're on the other side of a case with respect to the lawyer at issue in the case you're working on.